Hello, thank you for giving us the opportunity to present. We are excited to share with you our project report for the subject Principle of Accounting. Our group consists of Sofia Enara, Nick Nordiana Sofia, and me, Rida Rahmahdanis. Today, we'll be presenting the profile of our businesses, Eclat Florist, a bakery startup based in Shah Alam, Selangor. We will also elaborate on how we record our accounting transaction, and prepare our financial statement. Eclat Florist is a startup bakery based in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia, specializing in the production and sale of a wide variety of flour-based baked goods. The business offers an extensive selection including artisan breads such as sourdough and baguette, pastry like croissant and Danish cakes like layer cakes, cheesecake, cupcakes, and also we have cookies as well as gluten-free and vegan option. In addition to its product, Eclat Florist provides custom cake order for special occasion, convenient delivery services within the local area, and interactive baking workshop for customers who wish to learn and experience baking firsthand. As part of our business operation, we ensure all the transactions are properly recorded. This includes sales from our daily bakery operation, purchases of ingredients, and operational expenses like salaries and utilities. We use a basic accounting tools such as receipt, invoice, and post record to track all financial activities. Each transaction is categorized under accounts such as cash, inventory, revenue, salary expenses, and more. We move to vision and mission. Our vision is to become a leading provider of innovative, delicious, and high quality baked goods that brighten every customer day. And our mission is to consistently deliver freshly baked products made from high quality flour. Our mission also to innovative and create new baked goods that cater to evolving customer tastes. And the last mission is to maintain a welcoming environment for customers while promoting sustainable baking practices.
Hi, a very good morning and Assalamualaikum to Madam Hani and my friend. So today, first and foremost, my name is Diana Sofia and today I'm going to present my part, which is journal entries. So for the date one, bank 30,000 is debit side, and for the capital 30,000 is on credit side. Next is purchases, which is 7,200 is on debit side, and for the bank is credit side. And next is the cash, which is cash is on debit and sales also in credit side. And for the fourth is furniture and features is at debit side, and account payable is on credit side. So for the account receivable is on credit side, the sales will be on the debit side. So for the account payables, 110 ringgit is on debit side, and for the return award is on credit side, and the furniture and features is on debit side, and account payable Parabo Enterprise is on credit side. And for the return inward is on debit side, and for the account receivable is on credit side. And for the date on 8 is bank, cash, and sales. So for the bank is debit, cash is on debit also, and for the sales is from credit. So for the date for 10 is cash on debit and sales on credit. And for the 12 is account receivable is on debit, and for the sales is from credit. And next is account receivable is from debit, and for the sales is from debit. Sales is from credit, sorry. And for the return inward 80 ringgit is from debit side, and for the account payable 6,500 is credit side. So date for 16 is bank is debit side, and account receivable is credit side. So for the 18, the date 18 is bank 950 debit, account receivable 950 is on credit. So for the 20, drawing is debit, and for the cash is credit. Also for the 22, the cash 80 debit, and sales 80 is credit. So for the 24 is salary expenses, so it's on debit side, and for the bank is credit side. And for the 26 is account receivable is on debit side, and for the sales is on credit side. So for the interest loan expenses is debit, and for the bank is credit. So for the 30, which is the last journal entries, we have 3, which is rental expenses, utility expenses, and bank. So for the rental and utilities is debit side, and for the bank is credit side. So that's all for the journal entries part. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, madam. My name is Sofia Inara. So for my part, I'm gonna start with the ledger. So what is a ledger in accounting? So ledger in accounting is a record and a process the financial data taken from a journal entries, and it is very important for financial record for future reference, and it used for the creating financial statement known as a second book of entry. So ledger have a T format where the debit is on the left side and credit is shown to the right side. So each side have a 3 column, which is date, particular, and also the amount. For example, based on the journal entries for 3 April 2025, cash sale 230 of bread to Miss Hanis. So for this statement, the journal entries for this one is debit cash 230 and credit sale also 230. So how to apply this particular to the ledger is, we look first what is the particular involved, which is cash and also the sale. Okay, the two. So how to record this particular is, first we need to look at the cash ledger. So basically sale is a credit side. So we want to record sales to the cash ledger, we need to record in a debit side, and the particular we use is sale 230. And same goes to for the sales ledger, which is cash on debit side, but we need to record to the sales ledger, we have to put in a credit side, and the particular that we use is a cash. So after that, apply all of the journals entry into a ledger, we need to calculate all the amount for each ledger, and the amount we get will be used as a CD, which is a carry down, and also we need to put the amount into the PD for 1 May 2025 because we need to apply into a trial balance.
So next, I'm going to present the trial balance. So for the bank is on debit side, which is 12,227 ringgit, and for the cash we get is on debit side, which is 480 ringgit, and for the furniture and features we get 4,880 ringgit, and for the account receivable is 2,100 ringgit, and for the purchases is 18,600, and for the drawings is 450, return inward also 106, this all is from debit side. So for the credit side is account payable, which is 16,280, and for the sales we get 3,550 ringgit, and for the expense rental received is 950 ringgit. Last but not least, for the capital we get 30,000 on the credit side. So the total of all the things is 15,780 ringgit. That is our group get it. So madam can see for the background. So the total is 15,780 ringgit. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Next, I'm gonna explain about a statement of profit and loss. The first particular that we need to put in a SOPL is sales. And the sale needs to minus with the written inward to get a net sales. After we find the net sale, we have to find a cost of goods sold, which is COGS. The first particular that we need to put is the opening inventory. But in this question, we don't have an opening inventory, so we need to put a 0. And if the question have a opening inventory, we need to plus with the purchases, and also we need to minus with the closing inventory. So based on this question, the closing inventory given is 1,215. So the purchaser needs to minus with the closing inventory to get a total of COGS. So how to find the gross of the profit and loss is we need net sales need to minus with the total COGS to get a gross profit and loss. And then move to the third column, which is other income. So based on the question, the other income is a rental receipt. So the rental receipt, and if they have another income, we need to plus to get the total other income. So for this rental receipt is 950, and the total other income also is 950 because they have one particular only. And then move to the next column is expenses. So for this question, the expenses is salaries expenses, interest loan, rental expenses, utilities expenses. So they have 4 expenses in this question. So four particular need to plus to get a total expenses. And the last one is how to get a net profit and loss. So the first one, we need to the total of gross profit and loss need to plus with the total other income. So and then the total, and after plus two item, gross profit and loss, and plus total other income, need to minus with the total expenses to get a net profit and loss. So based on this SOPL, our group get a net loss for 24,493.
So next, I'm going to present my part, which is soft P. So soft P, the non-current asset we put furniture, the amount is 4,880 ringgit. And for the current asset, we put bank, cash, account receivable. So for the bank is 12,627 ringgit, and for the cash is 480 ringgit, and for the account receivable is 2,800. So total that we get is 15,207 ringgit, and we will plus with the non-current asset, and the total that we get is 20,087 ringgit. So for the owner equities, we will put capital, which is 30,000, and we minus withdrawing 450 ringgit, and we get 24,493 ringgit for the profit loss for the year. And for the liabilities, we put account payable is 16,280 ringgit, and for the total liabilities that we get is 21,337 ringgit. So that's all.
Assalamualaikum, Madam. My name is Sofia Inara. So I'm gonna explain for my part, which is conclusion, part 3. Based on question 1, does it important for a business owner to have a basic knowledge in accounting? So in my opinion, a business owner needs to have a basic knowledge in accounting because accounting will provide objective financial information that can be directly linked to the business or financial transaction within the company. So the owner business who have a basic understanding of accounting can help them in evaluating a business performance. So through the accounting, it helps a business owner to prepare a detail of a report such as income statement, balance sheet, and also cash flow statement. Next, business owner who have a basic knowledge in accounting can measure and monitor the financial performance of their business. This means that they can tracking the financial performance of the business, especially the amount earned, spent, and also the save as a profit. So through this accounting, they can provide the information need to evaluate the success of the business, detect early issue, and also can make improvement to their business. And the last one is they can monitor the movement of money in and out of their business. So companies that do not pay attention to this can face a financial problem if they fail to manage their cash efficiently. And this is because accounting play a big role in helping a business owner analyze and control the movement of the money and ensure that the company remain financially stable in the short and long term. So for the next question is benefit of business preparing their financial statement and report using Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard. So company in Malaysia are required to prepare and submit financial statement at least once a year in accordance with a Malaysian financial reporting standard. So the most common types of financial statement used in Malaysia is the balance sheet, income statement, and also cash flow statement. So what is the benefit of business preparing their financial statement and report using Malaysian Financial Reporting Standard is they can make better decision making. This is one of the main benefit because it can greatly assist in providing accurate report, systematic, and also reliable financial information. So this can make it easier to the business owner to manage more strategic decision. So for the second point is they can improve financial management. Improve financial management refers to the ability of a smart business to plan, monitor, and control its financial resources efficiently. So one way MFRS can improve financial management is through the monitoring and control the cash flow. And also MFRS can help business to prepare a cash flow statement which detail all the cash inflow and also outflows. So the last one is can increase investor confidence. So when a business prepare a financial statement using MFRS, it has to follow the recognized accounting framework in Malaysia, and its financial report will be consistent, and this also can increase the reliability and comparability of financial information that will be shared with the stakeholder. So the last question, challenge for a business startup to keep a proper accounting record. So starting a new business is very exciting, especially for those who love to do a business. But it also comes with many responsibilities that one need to take on, especially in manage the financial of the business. So the common challenge that startup businesses to produce accounting report is, for the first one is irregular cash flow. Irregular cash flow refers to the situation where a company cash flow is inconsistent, and also this can caused by a variety of factors such as seasonal in a sale, unexpected expenses, and also change in customer behavior. So irregular cash flow also can cause a company to struggle to maintain a financial stability and meet a financial obligation, such as paying a bill, salaries, and also a loan repayment. And the next one is some of the businesses often face a challenge where they forgot to keep a business financial record. Keeping a financial report is essential to manage finance efficiently. Without accurate record, it becomes difficult to them to track expenses, income, and overall financial year after year. This can lead to miss a payment, late fees, and even potential legal issue if tax are not filed properly. So the conclusion is running a startup business comes with many challenges, especially financial one, when it comes to maintain a proper accounting record.